Hi guys, see this 189,000 ringgit on the road price excluding insurance for the new Volkswagen Passat facelift. Okay, now I don't fuck care what people will say, inevitably say in the comment section. All right, all the usual criticisms against Volkswagen, your DSG lah, your TSI lah, the resale value lah, and all that. My point is 189,000 ringgit for what you get in this package in terms of technology, in terms of sophistication, in terms of performance is outright unbeatable. It's a no-brainer. So if you are shopping for a car at the upper end of the D segment spectrum, this is really a no-brainer. So let's give you a recap lah. The Passat, this is the facelifted Passat. First debuted last year at the Geneva Motor Show in February, then went on sale in Germany from September 2019 onwards, and today it's here, just 4 months on. Today it's here in Malaysia, locally assembled as well. So the lineup, okay, has also been they have revised the lineup. So right now this is the only variant on sale, and it's the 2.0 TSI. So this 2.0 TSI engine, they have made some mechanical changes to the car. This 2.0 TSI engine makes 190 PS, 320 Newton meters of torque. So performance-wise, it's down from the pre-facelift 2.0 TSI. But if you look at the global engine lineup of the Passat, you realize that this 190 PS 2.0 TSI, this engine trim, this engine tune, this is actually a replacement of the 1.8 liter engine. And I personally think it is a bit unfortunate that the 1.8 liter engine is discontinued, because even though it made less power, but I thought it was the standout engine in the Passat range. Okay, but still here we have this 2 liter variant making 190 PS. There's a higher tuned 2 liter model that makes somewhere about 250, 270 PS that Volkswagen has decided not to offer in our market for the time being. Okay, so in performance terms, it is easier for you to think of this Passat Elegance as a replacement of the 1.8 TSI variant rather than the previous 2 liter variant. Okay, so let's see. From an appearance-wise, they say this car is redesigned. At a glance, you still see the familiar face of the Passat. This has been a gentle evolution of what you see as the front face of the Passat since the B7 model. All right, so very square, very straight, very unfussy design, timeless, I would say, call it. But I would say that the bottom corner of this bumper actually reminds me of the non-M Sport G30 5 Series bumper. The alloy wheels here, 18-inch wheels. It actually looks rather conservatively sized. Maybe it's the design. It doesn't look that big, to be honest, and it looks like a very conservative design. I imagine that a lot of potential buyers, they may want to upsize to more garang looking rims. Okay, so of course, this being a facelift, there is no change to the sheet metal. So let's look at the details. The tail light design is also new. It fits, of course, in the same housing as before. You get the sequential lighting sequence of the sequential lighting pattern of the indicators. Got a slight misalignment. It looks like a slight misalignment there from what I can see with my eyes. Yeah, new lighting signature for the tail lights as well. And there's also the Passat wording there on the boot, similar to what they did with the Phaeton. They have also removed the engine power designation badge, so there's no more 280 TSI or 380 TSI or whatnot. Okay, so we come down here. This is the lower end of the lower corner of the bumper. So as you can see, all in, it is a very understated, very unassuming design. So somebody has just popped the bonnet. We just go and check out the engine room. Hi Kamfo. Hi. Okay, so here's the engine bay. This is a new cover. This is a new cover design. And as I said, they have retuned the outputs of this engine. So yeah, this specific tune is a replacement of the previous 1.8 TSI. Now let me just go and check this car out. Okay, so this brother here is done. I'll go in. So inside here you can see the ambient mood, the mood lighting here. Instrument cluster, a fully digital instrument cluster, same as the same as the 2.0 Highline as from before. And here you have, wow, they put the Passat wording here as well. Nice touch. This design feature of the Passat dashboard, it has it's like they visually join the front and side wings. Hey Eugene.
Hi. Hello.
Okay. All right. We don't have the keys in the car. Oh look, check it. Let me just show you the design of the instrument cluster. Okay, very simple design. Here we have the touch screen. Here is enlarged as well, right? And you come down here, you've got the engine start stop, the auto start stop button here, rear sun blinds, parking sensors. So here this tray here is a rubberized tray, climate control switches. And here we have cup holders, 12-volt socket, and here we have a USB-C port. Hi Brina. So here there is another USB-C port. So here's the thing, I don't know about you guys, but I'm still stuck in USB ports law. What am I going to do with this? How much? I mean, it means that what if I buy this car, I'm going to have to buy USB-C to USB-C cables. So just would like to ask you guys for your opinion. How many of you guys are using USB-C to USB-C cables? So the Passat here is now doesn't give you proper old school USB ports. They're giving USB-Cs. Mercedes-Benz with their A-Class also has moved on to USB-C ports. So I guess that's possibly the trend for the future. But right now, we are a bit stuck lah, those of us who are still a bit traditional with our charging cables. Okay, so up here, got this panel here that controls the cabin lighting. Wow, looks not bad, man. It actually looks impressive. This whole panel, it actually looks rather impressive. You got frameless rear view mirrors here. The seats offer good looking support. Okay, nice seats. The overall quality of this cabin is I would say pretty good, up to which is a typical Volkswagen standards. Right. So we've got somebody here inside the rear section of the passenger. I will not interrupt that. Power opening tailgate. That's the boot. Underneath here got a space saver spare tire. You can pull this to release the split folding rear seats. You got this hook here to hang your shopping. Compartments here. Okay, so powered closing, nice. Right. Let me go and check out the other car. All right. Okay, so here is another look at the tail lights of the Passat. Okay, never mind. I'll just come in here. I'll open the right door. So here we have the door card. Okay, and oh, nice. Manual sunshades. Let me tell you something, guys. As a father now, I appreciate this. I love this feature, even though I don't use it myself. Right now, in my house, the only my E39 has this, but yeah, love this feature when I travel with my daughter during morning or evening sun. Okay, so let me just pause a while. Okay. All right, so let's come in here. We'll fold down the rear seats first. Nice. I just released this and it topples down. Okay. It's not a flat floor. There's a step here. So pull this back up. Individually adjustable headrests. Let me just pull the armrest down. Whoopsie, this does not seem properly assembled in. Ouch. So the ISOFIX mounts here, which have to pull this cover out. Rear aircon vents with temperature control. and I sit inside here. Guys, once again, I'm 170 centimeters tall, so not bad headroom. Okay, well, thigh support, excellent. This is, I can imagine these seats will be excellent on a long distance drive. And let me just point you back to the front where this car has the touchscreen activated. So I just show you the touchscreen. Okay, very smooth operation. Air conditioning, precision ignition. Okay, never mind that. You can activate navigation, no suggested destinations. Okay, so yeah, very nice. All right. Okay, so here we have it, guys. This is the new Passat B8 facelift. Now only available in one variant, the 2-liter model. 190 PS, 320 Newton meters of torque. All right, so yeah, it carries a 2-liter capacity, but think of this in performance terms. Think of this as a replacement of the previous 1.8 TSI model. Okay, and price-wise, 89,000 ringgit. Really, I think is fantastic value for money, and yeah, so yeah, looking forward to try this. And I think if you are shopping at the upper end of the D segment, this car definitely merits consideration. So guys, go head over to our Volkswagen showroom, give this car a test drive, and see it for yourself.